Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question, which is let L1 and L2 are two parallel lines. So, we have two parallel lines. Great. So, suppose these are your two parallel lines. Now, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle, then the area of triangle ABC is. Okay. So, you know that this triangle is equilateral, so and one side is one vertex is on line 1, other is on line 2, and other is in between them. Okay, suppose this is the case. Okay, now look at this. Suppose that it is A, it is B, it is C. Now let's do little bit of construction. So they have given that it is equal to 6, so this perpendicular distance is 6 and this perpendicular distance is 3, correct? Now I will be considering this thing to be theta. Okay, we are interested in finding the length of the triangle. Okay, so look at this, you know that it is 90-degree, so this side will become perpendicular if we will consider triangle B C P. Suppose this is P, this is Q. Okay, so this thing is perpendicular and I will consider this as hypotenuse because this is the side opposite to 90 degrees. So hypotenuse, so can I use sine theta? So sine theta will become what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, correct? So we got this idea. Now what I will do, I will consider this triangle AX. So it is in triangle BAX. You know that this is theta and this is 60. So can I use sine 60 plus theta? Okay. So it will become perpendicular by hypotenuse and perpendicular will become what? This thing. Okay. So it is 9 by AB. Correct. Now look at this. Suppose that we have here I am applying sin A plus B formula. So it will become sin A cos B plus cos A sin B equals to 9 by A. Suppose that the side length of the equilateral triangle is A. Now sin 60 root 3 by 2. Now you know that this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. So can I say that the base will become A square hypotenuse square minus 9? So we will have root over A square minus 9 base by hypotenuse A plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, and then sine is what? 3 by A. Okay, so it is 9 by A. Now we will take A common, we will multiply both side by 2A. So this thing will be eliminated, and then we'll multiply both side by 2. So it will become root 3 and A square minus 9 plus 3, it is 18. So this 3 will go that side, so it will become 15. So root 3 and root A square minus 9. So what I will do, I will square both side. So we will have 3 times A square minus 9 equals to 15 into 15. So this will become 5. Okay, so this is 75 a square minus 9. So a square will become what? 75 plus 9, this means 84. So we got our side square. Correct? Now we got the side length. We need to find out area of triangle. So you know that area of triangle is what? Root 3 by 4 and then side square. And you know that the side square is 84. So can I write root 3 by 4, 84? So it is 21. So we will get 21 root 3. 21 root 3 as correct answer. I hope the idea is clear, and if you guys similar kind of question you guys can handle accordingly. तो चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ.